I know it's been a while since I review pretty much anything or even post on YouTube, so in this video we will start with something simple yet effective if you are in position of using it. Yes, it's a portable money counting machine, more exactly a bill counter. This is a V40 clone. The difference between V30 and this is a 3 extra button, which I find almost useless. Since I don't want to prolong this video more than it should, let's get started with unpacking. Since the manufacturer didn't deem to put some greens in the box, for test purposes of course, I must use some of my own currency. There are three ways to use this machine: normal, add and batch. The normal mode does what it says, just insert the bills, press start and wait to end. In the add mode you can insert a number of bills, press start, then insert another bills, press add and the counter starts where it left from the previous group. The batch mode, which I don't really use, sets a value and the machine stops when it hits that number. At the end of this video I will give you some feedback and a few tips after 2 weeks of use. The first and most obvious advice is that you align the bills as best as possible and always count more than 2 times. Apparently larger bills are counted more accurate than smaller ones. Not this way, but this way. The best advice I can give is to make sure the bills hit this plate and you gently push them while counting. I am not sure yet, but if the batteries are inserted, they are used instead of power adapter. Remove them just to be sure. E3 error means there is a possibility that banknotes were not counted correctly. That's it, thanks for watching, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video.